was talking in the class, but the teacher put me outside. And then I was climbing the window in the corridors. That time only the principal came. He started slapping me very hard. Not stopping. I was saying sorry, sorry. Not stopping. He kept on slapping me. And then I covered myself with my hand. He started hitting my head on the wall.
Doctor has said he's under stress, physically he's under emotional stress. That pain, it will subside after some time. And she has given a syrup, paracetamol syrup and a spray. She said the reports are normal, not to worry. But take him to a counselor or psychologist who will speak to him. Maybe I've come forward. Tomorrow other parents won't come forward. Like my child has suffered, I don't want other children to suffer, to be the target. This has happened even earlier in this school. But the parents who had gone, who told the principal, he detained that child. So many parents are not coming forward with this. I'm going forward with it because I want justice to be done to also the past children who have not got justice. If I don't come forward, this matter will continue in the school.
मडगांव पुलीस स्टेशनार कंप्लेन जाल्या. सकाळी पुलिसांनी खंय प्रिन्सिपल फादराक पुलीस स्टेशनार आपयल्लो. आपणे थापड मारला ही गजाल खंय तो मान्य करता.
In this connection, we registered the offence under section 323, 5062 and section 8 of Goa Children Act, and our investigation is in progress in this regard. In the morning, I had called both the parties for the inquiry, and after the inquiry, I registered the offence. But after conducting the inquiry, the facts are true, so we registered the offence.
प्रिन्सिपलाची बाजू आयकूंक म्हूण आमी ताका गाठपाचो यत्न केलो, मात लॉयला स्कुलान वचून सुद्दां तो आमकां मेळ्ळो ना. तो फोनारूय मेळ्ळो ना. प्रुडंटा खातीर सावे डायस.